2023 Jeep Wagoneer configurations, cargo space, redesign. One of America's favorite manufacturers has continued to evolve and expand its lineup with exciting new Jeep models that take utility off the back of the Jeep Grand Cherokee and make it fun again. Jeep was originally a pioneer in off-road vehicles and one of the most well-known names in travel gear. Today Jeep continues to stay on trend and is known as a fun, practical vehicle for all ages. In this competitive world, consumers want value for their dollar. Jeep offers tons of value to the consumer because they are durable and reliable while still offering great performance and a good fit. Feature: a protection car is essential to take around when a car right in front is about to full its competition lap or is about to assault one more car on the track. The driver of the security car will sign the vehicle right in front to slow, and the driver in the guide will take a swift stop on the track to enable other competition right behind him to get caught up. This sign is offered just forward of the basic safety car's release of the braking system so that anyone will have the ability to steer clear of a crash. The security car will not always require accomplishing the track simultaneously as other cars. Still, it should arrive at a stop after that matter of moments to let individuals in entrance have the ability to obtain a place for a new steer in the upcoming pit stop. Exterior and interior. On the exterior front side, the 2023 Jeep Wagoneer is an all-new car having an all-new design vocabulary from the world of Jeep. The design continues to be close up to the concept disclosed in September 2023. The Grand Wagoneer sports all broad headlamps and the Jeep fashioned several slat grille, which is stainless done. The SUV is large in the terminology of measurements and is considerably greater than the competition. The rear sports all broad tail lighting, which appearance extraordinary with the extended strip that joins the two edges. The rear also sports the Grand Wagoneer company logo and prevents with no sign of Jeep badging. This luxury SUV includes both 22 or 24 stainless alloy tires. The interior of the 2023 Jeep Wagoneer is surprising, offered the luxury elements and sufficient functionality to smoothen every push. Jeep provides the cabin with 3 chairs lines for the Grand Jeep, and Wagoneer promises that the area for the third row is cozy for high individuals when compared to the normal Wagoneer. The Grand Wagoneer sports all high-technology elements within the car like the 12.3 tool group, which is a TFT screen and is remarkably custom. The dash panel appearance is remarkable and has real solid wood highlights living up to the luxury name label. The dash panel retains the gorgeous Seeking 12 inches touchscreen exhibit, which is located just previously mentioned in the 10.3 inches touchscreen exhibit used for managing the heating system, airflow and atmosphere conditioning system. Specification: the 2023 Jeep Wagoneer is not only a monster in the outdoors but within as well. The luxury SUV is driven by a major 6.4-liter V8 engine mated by having an 8-rate automatic transmission and an AWD system. This engine is competent in generating a wholesome 471 horsepower and 455 lb-tos of max torque, which is the impact you should expect. Until now, the 6-liter V8 engine is the only powertrain solution accessible all over the trims. However, it is predicted that Jeep will declare an all-electric or a hybrid powertrain alternative with the release. Jeep promises that the 2023 Jeep Wagoneer could go -60 mph within 6 seconds, which is fairly remarkable, contemplating its towing capacity, which is up to 10,000 kilos. In the competition, it would appear that the 2023 Jeep Grand Wagoneer outperforms the 2023 Cadillac Escalade, the 2023 Lincoln Navigator, and the 2023 BMW X7 in conditions of engine power. But the Grand Wagoneer also expenses a great deal more than the other two cars. The fuel effectiveness of the 2023 Jeep Wagoneer is anticipated to be around good, and maybe having a whole lot of fuel provided the normal 6.4L V8 and the AWD system. Even though the fuel economy of this new luxury SUV is not revealed, it will likely be fairly comparable to the competition. 2023 Jeep Wagoneer price and release date. Listed at $95,995, the 2023 Jeep Wagoneer becomes a setup of 22 in and provides capabilities this sort of as a camera given rear view match and premium quality conceals. Then will come the 6 Physique Limit Obsidian that is listed at $110,995, with daring entrance fascia and black cut 22 inches tires.